Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the messy bun hat. This is the woman's hat. Let us start. For this pattern I am using the multicolor yarn. This is the 100-gram yarn and one 4 mm crochet hook. One craft scissor. Let us start. First you measure the head circumference and then you start your work. First I am making the border. Make one slip knot and make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 chain, 2 more chain, count as a first half DC. Then you go to the third stitch from your hook and make 1 half DC. Make 1 half DC into the every stitch. This is the last stitch. Then here I am making 1 2 chain, count as a first half DC and turn my work, and then I am making 1 half DC in only the back loop of the every stitch. Then 1 2 chain and turn your work and make 1 half DC into the every stitch. You do not make this stitch in back loop. You make 1 half DC into the every single stitch. You repeat same pattern 10 to 15 times, or your required length of the your head circumference. You repeat it 10 to 15 times. Thank you. I have completed this half DC stitch, and then this is the last round. And then join it with slip stitch. You join it together with slip stitch. You take your first line of the half DC, and here you make one single crochet and go to the second stitch and other side also and make one single crochet. This is the back side of the head. You turn your work and you start from here. You make one single crochet to the every single stitch. You make one single crochet into the every single stitch, and you make all around this single crochet stitch, and you also make this is the front part, bottom part of the head. So here you can make the one single crochet into the every stitch. You repeat it. I have finished my single crochet stitch, and then make one chain and skip the next two stitches, go to the third stitch and make 5 double crochet. Four and then 5, and then skip the next two stitches, go to the third stitch and make one single crochet, and then skip the next two stitches, go to the third stitch and make 5 DC. Skip the next two stitches and in the third stitch make one single crochet, and you repeat same pattern in this round. I have completed the first row of the sellstitch pattern, and then go to the third stitch here, and then you skip the next 2 stitches and go to the third stitch. This is the single crochet stitch. Here you make 5, let's see, 5 double crochet in the same stitch. Then you skip the next 2 stitches and go to the third stitch, and here you make 1 single crochet, and then you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make 5 DC. You repeat this stitch in this round, and you make 7 to 8 rows of the same pattern. I have completed my 8 rows of the sellstitch pattern. This is the length of the head, and then in the next stitch I am decreasing all stitches. So first one is single crochet, and then you insert your hook in the next stitch and pull up yarn and 1 loop in your hook, and then you go to the next stitch and pull up yarn and 3 loops in your hook and make it 1, and then go to the next loop and pull up your yarn and 1 loop in your hook, total 2 loops, and then you go to the next stitch and pull up yarn and 2 stitches, and then you total 3 stitches in your hook and you make it 1, and you repeat same pattern, same stitch in this row. You repeat same stitch in this round. The next row I am decreasing stitch after 2 stitch. Here you decrease, this is the first stitch, here you decrease, then you make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then you decrease you repeat this stitch in this round. Then next round you make 1 chain, 1 single crochet into the every stitch. This is the last round of this hat. You repeat same stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my messy bun hat. This is the very simple and easy hat. You can attach one flower in the one side of the hat here, and you can try it. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.